Yeontan is following in the footsteps of his superstar father, Kim Taehyung, aka V of BTS, by paving the way for K-pop. On September 14th, Taehyung's adorable Pomeranian pet, Yeontan, made his official solo debut as a special guest during his slow dancing performance on Mnet's music show, M. Countdown. On September 20th, nearly a week after his debut, Mnet released an official fancam of Yeontan, and he made history as the first K-pop idol pet to receive an official performance fancam. This groundbreaking moment firmly established Yeontan as... Despite initially appearing shy amidst a sea of fans, Yeontan ultimately exhibited remarkable professionalism. Throughout the video, the little puppy displayed genuine star potential, effortlessly capturing the camera's attention. Fans were thoroughly captivated by the charisma emanating from him. In addition, M Countdown also released high-quality photos of Yeontan from the performance, which had fans swooning. Taehyung adopted Yeontan in 2017, and since then, Yeontan has become an integral part of his life. To express his love, Taehyung prominently featured Yeontan in his solo debut album. Yeontan's image not only graces the official cover art of Layover, but also appears throughout various aspects of the album. His presence is evident in promotional pictures, music videos, photo books, photo cards, and more. Yeontan has undeniably left his mark in the entertainment world. Yeontan, the famous pet dog with celebrity status belonging to BTS member V, has created a new history in Korean entertainment. Yeontan, affectionately called Tanny by fans, has become the first pet to have an official appearance fancam. Known as K-Pup, Yeontan has inspired millions of fans around the world with her adorable presence. In a surprising and groundbreaking move, V recently shared an official appearance video of Yeontan playing and interacting with BTS members and staff behind the scenes. The video was then uploaded to BTS official channels on various social media platforms, creating a huge wave of enthusiasm among fans. "We know how much Yeontan has a special place in the hearts of our fans, so we wanted to give her a chance to shine on her own," V said in a statement. "She is an important part of our lives, and we want to share those precious moments with everyone." Yeontan's performance fancam went viral instantly, with thousands of fans calling it the best and an amazing achievement. Even some other celebrities in Korea started to follow the trend by uploading their own pet performance videos. Yeontan is not just an ordinary pet dog, she is an icon in her own right, said a fan from Seoul. "I'm glad that BTS and Tanny shared this special moment with us." The success of this milestone paves the way for the so-called K-pop era, where celebrity pets get greater attention and perhaps even regular appearances in entertainment content. Like K-pop idols, celebrity pets are also an inspiration and source of happiness for fans. V's innovative act of sharing happiness with fans through Yeontan only shows how pets can be an integral part of Korea's ever-evolving entertainment culture. In the new K-pop era, perhaps we will see more celebrity pets sharing their joy with the world. As BTS always says, "Army, BTS fans, you're the best." And Yeontan, with his official appearance fancam, has proven that he is also the best in the hearts of fans around the world.